Hey guys, getting ready to send out a Dougenator and just wanted to show real quick. I've had some questions about what we use to put the barbs on at the top. We use this Rucker Seal 7. The big thing is it's got chemical or corrosive chemical formula on it. And we actually get it in black. We get it off of Amazon. So just search that. If you can't find it, let me know and I'll send you the link. But when you put these on, just get your little brush out of here. And what we do is we just put a little dab, kind of, you don't have to put it around the whole thing. Just kind of put a little dab like that, because as you twist and turn it, it'll seal into the rest of the threads. And so put it in and just once you get it in, turn it around. And the very important thing is you don't want to tighten this too tight. Just got to get it nice and snug. Hand tight is all I do, because if you get it too tight, you can crack this valve, okay? And if you crack this valve, then you're going to have to buy another one. We don't replace them for free. So if you want us to put these in, we just need to know the direction that you want each one of these barbs. This guy has this one pointing this way, and then he wants these two going that way. So I'll be glad to put them in for you. But if not, what we normally do is send the barbs loose so that you can put them in and put them whatever direction you need for your hose to come to. But it's very simple, but the most important thing is make sure that you, I gotta concentrate. Make sure that you don't tighten these too much, because if you crack that valve, it's gonna create an air leak, and then the Dougenator is not gonna work properly. So just get them nice and snug, a little bit of thread sealant. Don't need a whole lot, but you just want to get a good little dab, just like that, to start it. You don't have to go all the way around the thing, because as you screw it in, it's going to get into all the other threads, okay? So remember, do not tighten them too much. Just get them nice and hand snug, because if you tighten them too much, then they're going to crack this valve. And if you crack the valve, you have to buy another one. They're about 35 bucks a piece for us to send you another one, and you'll have to take the valve off and put a new one on. So please just be careful when you're putting your barbs on. All right? Hope that helps you guys, and happy Dougenating.